Alright guys, welcome back. Today is December 5th and we are going to open the 5th door in our advent calendar. Alright, sauce number 5 is mistletoe potion banana pepper hot sauce. And on the side it says Santa's 5th sauce recipe is a mild and tangy sauce that goes perfectly on sandwiches, salads, and pizza, but tastes great on anything. Alright, first we're gonna smell it. Doesn't have a very vinegary smell to it. It tastes very vinegary, but it smells slightly vinegary and it tastes like the banana peppers you get in the bottle. Overall, it's pretty good. It's not my favorite sauce, but I do like it, and I think there will be a place for it. Let's take a look at the back of the box and see what it says the ingredients are. Here is number 5, mistletoe potion hot sauce. Ingredients: distilled white vinegar, banana peppers, salt, xanthan gum, ascorbic and citrus acid, and I think that says turmeric. It's pretty spicy.
Is it?
I think it's as spicy as number 2. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll do number 6 tomorrow.